Coming up to Hazel Acres, and there they are, the rows of bushes, many of them ripe and ready to be picked. The Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021 continues. The Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021 continues, day 2, and we got some tunes and a radio out here, and that makes picking just a little bit easier. We've got all sorts of bushes marked here. We're continuing to pick. It's a bit of a windy day here, but we're still getting her done and trying to get the nuts picked before they blow off the bush. So we'll be back a little bit later and we'll see how we did for the day. Well, here's one of the buckets, so we'll get that measured out and see what it comes up with. Well, that's it. That's the end of day 2 of the Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021. We got some storm clouds starting to roll in. We've got our barrels filled, so we're going to put them in the bin for the night and come back at it tomorrow, day 3. Join us for more fun at Hazel Acres of the Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021.